You thought you heard it all. Brace yourself for the bizarre. It's something that you might expect to see in the movie I, Robot or The Terminator, but this scenario jumped right off the silver screen into a car factory. Chief Transportation Correspondent May Beeler is here now. And May, a new report was just released about a robot going rogue in a factory and injuring a worker.
Yeah, and drew blood.
Wow.
In the process. This is wild. All right, if this isn't the most bizarre thing, I really don't know what is. It is hard to believe this could happen in real life, but a software engineer was attacked by a malfunctioning robot. Yeah. It happened on the floor of the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas. That, according to an injury report submitted to federal officials and health authorities. While the attack actually happened 2 years ago, the outlandish incident has just now come to light. The robot reportedly attacked and just really acted out on a violent streak after the engineer disabled other robots and inadvertently left it on. Reports say the robot pinned the engineer and sank its metal claws into its back and arm, causing serious injuries, leaving a trail of blood on the floor. Now, the robots were designed to cut car parts from cast pieces of aluminum. The engineer was just programming the software and turned two of the other robots off to work on the machines. But the rogue robot was accidentally disregarded, unintentionally left operational, and perhaps displayed its dislike for the disabling of his android associates. One can only wonder what in the world prompted the attack. You can't make this stuff up.
It is just like out of a movie, but it always is the question, right, of robots' sense of awareness, and can they eventually turn on us? Again, it's a sci-fi movie, but what a terrifying incident for that person.
Well, just for grins and giggles, I called Tesla or reached out to say, well, what happened to the robot? I didn't hear back, probably the scrapyard. And I wonder if the employee is still at work, because that would freak you out.
Right.
Yeah, and then other things that can freak you out. Tesla works on robots all the time. They've developed a new one called Optimus that can perform simple tasks, perhaps around the house. Would you trust one?
I don't know, maybe not after that. It sounds great because we know we have busy lives and it's awesome to automate those, but I think I would pass on that one, especially after this.
And definitely as a nanny. No
nannies.
nannies.
All right, May, thank you for that.